Let's have a look at the specific ways that Testo Saveris restaurant can be used. In incoming goods, a really wide range of products from different suppliers have to be checked. No change here, even with our solution. However, instead of a paper list, employees now have a tablet in their hands, the control unit. It guides you reliably through all the work steps with pre-stored processes, and predefined corrective actions make it clear what needs to be done. If, for instance, a spot check reading doesn't meet the specifications. In refrigerated rooms, a sensor checks whether the door is closed, as well as the air and product temperature. If the door isn't closed, an alarm notification, including corrective actions, appears on the control unit. During food preparation, the multifunction handle can be connected to interchangeable probes for temperatures or cooking oil quality in seconds. The instructions, limit values, and corrective actions stored on the control unit make work even more reliable and efficient. However, because quality is not just defined in terms of readings, Testo Saveris Restaurant also supports employees with specific checklists when it comes to compliance with and inspection of all hygiene standards in the restaurant. Testo Saveris Restaurant means you always have the complete picture in terms of the correct implementation and fulfillment of your quality standards, even when you're out and about. And if something doesn't go to plan, you can respond immediately. When there are complaints or audits, you have your full digital archive available at the touch of a button, with absolute reliability and no stress at all. What's more, our comprehensive service package relieves you of responsibility and stress, from planning, via installation, through to support and calibration. So, get rid of the piles of paper and data chaos. Testo Saveris Restaurant gives you complete control and greater efficiency when it comes to quality management in your restaurant. Enter the world of digital quality management now with Testo Saveris Restaurant.